And we are getting ready to go out on our first day exploring.
Here in Dumaguete, and we're going to our breakfast.
We're in the C&L Bayview
Yes.
in room 501, and we actually get a free breakfast, so we're going to go check out what that is today.
I'm looking forward for some kind of dried fish. Hopefully they have. We'll see.
It's the Philippines. They've got fish. Yeah, I'm having to try some insanely high shutter speed to do any kind of a video right now. I need to run back to the room and get get an ND filter for this. But this is the upstairs. This is the very top lookout to the C&L Bayview. It's actually a pretty cool place. Gorgeous views. I don't know how much you can see and how much is going to be washed out from the direct sun over here. We'll try and do this again in the evening. Get the other side of it. I'm kind of assuming that's like an owner's suite or something, because that would be like the ideal room. Gorgeous views. Beautiful mountains in the background.
Yeah, I love it.
And there is the watchtower. We'll be heading over there a little bit later today. I'm thinking that is the public school. There we go. That's a little bit better.
Wow.
Oh, they're doing a remodeling project in there somehow.
Huh?
They're doing some kind of remodeling project over in the school.
Yeah. Oh, look at the ships.
Oh. Yeah, I realize this is not the way to adjust it, but we're running with the shutter speed at this moment because such a huge difference in lighting. And straight down below us, and we can actually see it quite well from our room, is I think like an old city hall, because the police station, the fire station, and you can't see it from here, but the public library is all in that one building. The school seems to be all connected to that. It kind of looks like there used to be a church in there, but the schools are so Catholic that it would be kind of hard to see. You can hear something in the background. It sounds like they're having an event going on over in that park. And that park is supposed to be a really cool place to go. So we're going to check that out later today. So,
Yes, I'm excited. Yee! I get my purse. I will bring some of my shades and hat and extra t-shirts. And I need to buy a powder for my face because it's like super like sticky and icky. So that's our secret for Filipino. I'll buy it anywhere in the store there. So,
there's got to be a couple sorries around here. And yeah, you can see what Akano's face looks like with all the sweat.
Yep.
I'm about turning into a puddle. But I'm going to turn this off and try and go down that staircase. And if you know me and know how well I handle stairs, you know how much fun this is going to be.